Good morning. Day 25, $500 challenge. We are at, what are we at? The account's at $1,737. Started at 500. Today's FOMC day. So let's see what we got. I already marked out my charts from the overnight. Got our overnight high, overnight low. Yesterday's high of the day. So we initially pumped up last night and then sold off again. The Asia low and the overnight low. Where's our low? Oh yeah, our low from yesterday. Regular session way down here. And we closed right here at this dotted line. So yeah, FOMC day could get a little crazy. Let's see. But sometimes we can make some good money on these days. Let's see what our friends are up to. Jay Dunn had a tough day yesterday. Hesitated on a couple of trades and then took one that was a loser and he was frustrated. So, but, you know, one of the things I really like about him is he shows you how to take a loss in the right way. So instead of going on tilt. So that was good. I'm sure he'll have a bounce back day today, most likely. We'll see what happens. Let's go see what's going on.
Let's see. I'm trying to fix something real quick. I'm trying to do. What the fudge?
And we're right back.
Sorry about this, guys. I'm trying to figure this out real quick. Hold on.
Should do it.
We got, yeah, right. We got 20 minutes before anything matters. That is correct. That is facts. Let's see here. Continuation down. That's right. Deer Creek. All right. Wow, that is crazy. 1 second. I gotta restart the stream. One second. Why is this?
Let's do this, Team Bull. Market's open. Uh, it's going to be a good day. Good morning, Naya. Following my lead, no pressure. Well, you already know the move I was wanting to catch. And it's just ripping through it right now. So that happens. It's all good. One in control. I was looking for a retracement back up to that pre-market low for shorts, but I don't like taking anything this early. Jaden here. Can everyone see my screen? Hear me? Making sure. Just making sure. It is FOMC today, so. I'd really like to take shorts around pre-market low, but what do you all think? Too risky off the first 5-minute candle, right? Or the second? Wonder if it points current point of control close to previous day point of control. Madman. Take a look at ES here real quick. Okay, so it's closer to that previous day low.
For 6 minute candles then. Just 30 seconds.
Well, we thinking we're gonna try some shorts around 175 to 191.
Yes. Where I would be.
Let's talk about it.
So we'll be targeting shorts in the evals right there.
A little bit too early. Probably right. Probably best is to wait to
Yeah, I'm not doing
at
it in
least
my
on the
paid
15-minute
accounts, but
range.
definitely if it
Especially with the
comes
week
up
we've
there.
had so far with the price action. Right, Gio.
Order
I
submitted.
like it as well. I just wish the market was settled a little bit more. So I'm not gonna take it, but I'm gonna watch and see how it plays out regardless here. If we was gonna take this trade, 75 to 91 would have been our short entry. Our stop would have been at 218 or 219. So I'm not taking it. Just watching it for
What do you watch
education.
for, Grizzly Glock?
I'm not taking a trade here, but if it had been a little later in the market has settled more, I would go short right here. I would take shorts right now, but I'm gonna wait till the 15-minute range is in.
I want
I'm
to
gonna
length the
watch it, see if
tire.
it plays out, regardless.
Got to 87.
Man, let's see here.
Oh, that's what it averaged out to. That risk, my average. I ended up taking 2 losing trades yesterday, but I caught a winning trade this morning. That bounce team bull that I put in the chat, the Asia low pre-market bounce hit. Good morning, those just joining.
What's up, Grizzly Glock?
Waiting, man. Just
What up, what up, what up?
This is my main setup. Happening is a little early for us. No, I caught a bounce off Asia low this morning, what I was talking about. Well, if you're trying it, doctor, it looks like it may work out for you.
Tempted to chase it, but I'm not going to.
The only reason I didn't take it, I've been burnt too many times not waiting on the 15-minute range. 2020, 2021, I would have ripped it.
Here we go.
22, whatever year it was, the market was this, like you couldn't miss.
I'm going to enter. This is just in my evals.
Order filled.
Go to 2. Average in up here, just in case.
Order submitted.
Point of control on previous day, point of control are close.
All right. Let's get it.
You having issues over there, man? See, your mic keeps cutting off. I don't know if it's.
Well, I was trying to figure something out on my computer.
Trying to figure out what to do with all that crypto.
Let's see. All right, let's see what we can get, guys. We have about 3 more minutes till our 15-minute range.
Did we lose audio? Them?
Jeez Louise. All right, Grizzly Glock, let's find a banger. Let's find a banger, everybody. Let's find a heat-seeking missile
Order submitted.
of a trade.
Okay.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Do I recommend Lucid Flex or Lucid Pro? I like the Pros. All right, we got a few more minutes or 1 more minute left in this 15-minute range, and we'll see.
Come on, break it down. There's a little fight right here. If we can get it to go. That took
Order
off a little
filled.
risk there. We'll tighten it up. Go.
Well, Team Bull, the shorts are working out so far.
That pre-market low.
Yeah.
Wait, maybe not that. I gotta. Oh, yeah. Pre-market low. We also have FOMC today as well, everybody. So just be aware of that.
I'll let you all know if I take anything. I'm just watching. I might look for a short entry up around VWAP. That's the only thing I'm watching currently. So.
Lowering volume, so feeling okay. I just think they're going to want to push it lower before higher, so we shall see. Right, yesterday's close.
Oh, let's see. I don't know why we still have Tesla on the screen. It always goes to that default Tesla. I don't know, understand why. Always does that. I mean, it's a sign. He dripped some Tesla again. Check, check. Check, check, check. All right. Let's get a money bag trade.
Think we're going to get stopped out here.
Stop filled.
We'll
Order
watch it
filled.
for a reject.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
I'm here. I'm just waiting. Just waiting. Just waiting. Staying patient. Dun, 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 dun.
Take off one there.
All right, let's see what we get. We're still in this 15-minute range. Still in this
Order
15-minute
canceled.
range. We are below pre-market low, or pre-market high, excuse me. We're right at pre-market low. So we'll see how this next candle develops and see what we can get. We got the coffee. We got the coffee. It's getting digested by the liver or whatever the hell does that. Whatever's responsible for that. Let's find ourselves a nice winning trade. All we need is one, baby.
You can put it in our 15-minute range here. It was here.
So all we need is one. All we need is one. It is FOMC day, so there is always the possibility that we see a little slower movement today. Very common on FOMC days. So we'll see.
Order filled.
With higher volume, I won't re-enter that. Got half of our losses back, and that's okay.
Haven't seen me on Asia markets. I don't trade Asia much. I don't
Order
trade Asia too
submitted.
much. Could this give us a move right here? It might. Let's see. So technically speaking, we got volume. We got the candle close. We're above pre-market low. This actually looks decent for a pullback into this candle. We'll stop maybe like to 215 down to 210 or down to 200 in this area for the longs with stops below this candle low. Actually doesn't look bad. Does not look bad. Let's see if we get this move down that we want to see.
All right, Team Bull, watching like a 203. Anything below 210 is okay for average. That's where I'm going to try some longs if we pull back. So if we get in, say we get in at 205, I'm going to set my stop at 177. That or a 5-minute close below pre-market low would probably invalidate it. So, our options juice today, I have not looked.
I'm looking at that too. Pullback for longs is what I would like to see today.
Looking for entry between 200 210 area. Looking for longs 200 to 210, stops at 177. That's how I'm gonna manage it if I get the opportunity to get in. The orb valid, we had the high volume candle. Wasn't crazy high volume, but higher than the previous two. Yeah, it is FOMC meeting, so if you all want to size down, please do. Nothing wrong with that. The FOMC meeting is later today. Had 2 losing trades yesterday. Everyone's been a tough week in the market, so luckily I caught 1 winning trade pre-market. 1 good trade could get me green on the week, so trying to lock in and make it happen.
8 o'clock candle coming up. Oh, shoot. I didn't even look at news.
If you took that one trade, would it hit your stop? No, you would have, right? Some people took it. So if you took the short squeeze talking about pre-market and your average was, say, let's say it was around 80s, 90s, I'm sure you would have trimmed on the pullback
30,
here
we got
to
some news.
pull back to
And then noon.
156.
What do you think, Grizzly? We trying these longs? I wanted to see a little bit deeper pullback.
Yeah, I think we may get it. I feel like it's
The 15-minute orb is technically valid here. It's just there's a lot of risk on that orb setup. I'd like to see a pullback closer to like 210.
yeah. We may get it. Hope we just don't rip down to our stop if we get in. That's the type of week it's been. All right, we're in the area to start longs, everyone. 203 would be exact.
I started a small piece of longs.
I did too.
Oh, would have failed. I started a small piece of longs, everybody.
I got a good feel on that.
I started a small piece of the longs. Would have filled.
As long as you're under 210 average here, I'd say you're solid, but I have to keep my stops. Could reject VWAP and hit my stop, but the orb is in play.
Can you hear me, Grizzly Glock?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, just to make sure. Sorry, I've had some technical difficulties in all aspects this morning. So I tried the longs, though, on this move down. I did try the longs on this move down, just slightly. I'm not.
I'd like to get high day for a trim or even more.
177 is the risk, everybody. 177. This is the area I like, this 50% retracement around this like 200 area. This is the one spot I'd like. We're above pre-market low, above, well, we were above pre-market or a 15-minute high, and we had higher volume.
Order submitted.
This is the area right here. Stops have to be at this 177. Everybody. Yep, 177 stop loss. I'm trying it light. It's been a hectic morning, so I will put no real risk on. Just trading micros this morning. Just trading micros this morning. Instant L, not instant. It could be an L, but this is a setup I'd take 100 out of 100 times.
Order filled.
100 out of 100 times. We did reject VWAP, but I would try this 100 out of 100 times. I'm not going to add to it. Just that one add. And that's what we're going to do. That's it. We'll see if it gets any sort of bounce here. We got pre-market. We have pre-market low here and this retracement. So setup looks good. I would take this 100 out of 100 times for sure. A hundo out of 100 times. For sure, I would try this. No doubt. See if it goes through. Grizzly, you try it too? Why is this guy calling me? Well, see, I tried the longs, everybody. Retest down here. A+ setup.
Uh, you can close above the 9 EMA. I'll be happy.
Connection lost.
That's not good. What? Come on.
Hard stops are at 177, guys. We're trying. Trying to move. Come on. Oh, come on. You, all right. Let's see. It's not looking great, guys. It's not looking great. We had a little follow through up to 216, and now we're hurting. We'll see if pre-market low can hold the line. See if pre-market low can hold the line. Otherwise, I will be 0 for 1 in the day. And it's trading very light this morning. Oh, if I was going to take any profit, it would have had to have been up at like above like 225. You know, we went to like 216. Nowhere near trimming. So it'll just be a losing trade if it gets stopped out. So yeah, nowhere near taking anything off. Even with that move to 216. Way too short of any positive risk reward. So it's a good setup though. Solid volume, above pre-market low, something I'd take 100 out of 100 times. Just isn't working out how I'd like to see right now. So if it gets stopped, then we'll wait for the next good setup and move on about the day. If it goes to the profit target, then it's great. Oh, come on. No. It's on live support, guys. Looks like we're going to get stopped, fellas. But setup looked great. Something I would take 100 out of 100 times if it does stop out. Solid volume, solid trend above the pre-market low. Just struggling. I'm really on the struggle bus this morning, huh? When it rains, it pours, right? No, I like this. I love this setup. When you have a 5-minute chart that looks like this above key levels, looking for continuation, you have a price target of up at pre-market high. I mean, everything was aligning. It just isn't working out right now. Happens like that sometimes. Better than yesterday, at least, where I see 2 great trades that I just hesitate on, and then take a third trade or take a first trade, third idea. We get news, get stopped out, and then fourth trade just doesn't work out, or second trade, but fourth idea. My hard stops are at 177, so if it goes down, what?
Closed out my trade when that candle closed. I closed it out right at 188.
Yeah, I'm about to get stopped too at 177.
We closed back below pre-market low, so I got out there.
We are literally on hospice for this trade. Still hasn't stopped, but it's close. I'm going to keep my original stop in place because I promised myself and I promised you guys I would. Still in this trade, guys. It's my stop's at 177. So if we go down below that, I'll stop out. If we go up, then I'll wait for us to move up to like 220s to take anything off. Doesn't look great. Yeah, I was on the freaking stream this morning and my let's see here. And my screen got leaked. So it is what it is, baby. Let's see if we can get up. I'm not changing my stop in this trade. I'm either getting stopped at 177 or we're moving up. No in between. I have not trimmed anything. Nope. And we're just back at break even now. Still in this trade. We're back at break even. If you're scared, you can manage how you see fit. I'm holding till 220s. Come on. Push us up. Come on. It's now or never. Come on, Nasdaqita. Come on. Let's go. Push us up, baby. Come on, Nasdaqita. Come on. I'm happy. I'm very happy with how this trade is looking and how, even if it stops out, the overall bias behind it. Come on. Push us up. Give us a high a day. Give us a move to view op at least. No. Even if it stops out, I'm completely cool with it. I'm completely cool with how this trade is the bias behind it. Even if it loses money, it's a good trade. There's good risk reward here. There's a good probability that we move up. If it ends up going below this 177, it just will stop me out. Come on.
Go.
Let's see if we can move up to price target. I like to see 220s. We are in profit. Not enough for me to sell, though. Not enough for me to take any off. It doesn't look like the best volume. Come on. Oh, if this doesn't work out, I'm sorry, guys. But the setup looks great. 220, just again, not enough for me to take any off. I wanted to see 225 plus. I want to see the bigger move out of this. I don't want to scalp it for pennies today. Come on.
You can do it.
Come on. Push it up. Come on, baby. Push it up. Push it up. Push it up a little farther. I want to see us get above VWAP. Come on. Come on. Push it up. I want to see the bigger move still, guys. I'm okay if I don't. I want to see 225 plus. We are up about 20 points. If you're not feeling it, you can manage how you see fit. You should manage how you see fit. I'm on here to tell you what I'm doing. Come on, a little higher. Come on. Oh, come on.
Minute candles coming up.
Loves a mama.
5
Push
seconds.
up 14 bull and DOD. Come on. Come on. All right, this is the trim spot, guys. I'm taking off some micros here, guys. This is TP1. TP1's up here. TP1 right at VWAP. Here is TP1. TP1 right here, everybody. TP1. I'd like to see us move higher, but that was TP1. I still think we can move higher to that high a day, but TP1 is hit. Let's see if we can get TP2 now. Come on. Come on, baby. Let's go.
There we go. There we
Order
go.
Push it
canceled.
up. Next trim spot is around 37 on the high a day. Come on, baby. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to move my stops up now to 200 to 199. Stops at 199, everybody. Let's go. Come on. Literally stayed alive by 1 point, baby. 177. Trend setting candle low stops. Printer. Come on. Come on, baby. Let's push it.
I feel better if
We
this
want to
has
keep
higher
moving,
volume.
baby.
But
Let's see if we can get high day. Even with a very stressful morning, we found a way to catch a dub.
it's being a point of resistance here. Basically, it closes down here.
Come on, baby.
Let's go.
We want to see a
Looking
build
for
above
the
VWAP.
200, 245.
Order filled. That's what we want to hear. And we don't want to hear stop filled. We got TP1. That wasn't. He said, "Who got stopped, bro?" That wasn't that was me. You mean stop filled? Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. You trading, Grizzly? That's my side hustle. that I was imitating the guy that went and ripped 40 micro gold. Yeah, stop loss to entry. I think that's a very good idea. VWAP's giving us some resistance. I'd like to see next trim be at high a day. I'd love to see on this trade is this. That's what I would love to see is a target of pre-market high.
Pre-market high.
Let's get to the next price target. Small trade so far. We'll see if we can get more out of it.
Be a good sign if we can close above the 9 and the 21 EMA, break through VWAP. But I would definitely look for some resistance here at 245. They're trying to push it down, but they didn't want to go. Okay, we're above VWAP. We've got it's looking good so far.
Hey, second TP spot almost hit, baby. At this point, at a minimum, stop should be at break even. Let's go. Yo, let's go. Let's go, everybody. Come on. Push us up. All right, chat. We need some. It was a rough morning, not trading, but in terms of other things. We need some positive energy. If you guys took that trade with me, let me see it in the chat. You guys made money on that trade so far. We've gotten nearly 40 points off that trade. Actually, as a matter of fact, over 40 points at the high. If y'all took that with your boy, how much you make? Come on, talk to me. Put some numbers in the chat. Let's go. Positive vibes. If you guys took that trade with me, how much money did you make? 119, 988, 110, 200, 350, 250, 500 plus, 100, 450, 416, 786, 485. Let's go. 1680, 2K eval passed, account unlocked. Let's go. 140, 840, 100, 150, quick 200. Thank you, Jay Dunn. You're welcome. Let's go. Positive vibes only, baby. Let's go. We recovered. Positive vibes only. Literally, that got down like within a point of the stop. Within a point. Let's go. Damn, that would have been a fire first trade in the Lucid Fundeds, but no, bro had to go and rip gold and hack my account. Meanie. Ugh. Meanie. Yep. You know why we got a good trade? Is because we followed the system, and also we chose good karma. Come on, baby. Not moving stop loss for the win. Exactly. There's a very good lesson in today, too, with this trade working out. I made the promise to myself and made the promise to y'all that I wasn't going to move my stop no matter what. I was going to keep my plan stop. And guess what happened? Kept my stop in place, even with candles moving up and down, even with candles closing. I followed my plan. I did not move my stop, and we get paid for it. It's because the lava lamp's on. That's why we got to win, actually.
I hate it when it does this. Not sure what's going on, guys. I can't move anything or see anything.
Let's go, baby.
Here we go. I'm not sure what's going on.
1 for 1 on the screen. Let's go. Appreciate y'all being here. As a reminder, too, I do my best to help you guys pass your challenges, get funded, and get paid every single day. I appreciate y'all using code JDUN right now. Apex is 90% off. I like the trade of 850K end of day drawdown accounts. 1 day pass and end of day drawdown. Yeah, so this morning I had my screen share on. Oh my gosh, look at this. We're gonna get our pre-market high. I wish I had more size than this. I'm down to my final micros, down to my final babies. It was a very interesting morning. Otherwise, I would have put some risk on today. Look at that so far, baby.
I think I'm going to trim here
Look
at
at
the
that.
8:30 at
3R
least.
on that puppy. How about them apples, baby? Let's go.
30 seconds.
God
Let's
is
see
so
what it does.
good. See that Team Bull this morning. I had my screen share up and it, for whatever reason, switched to my email. I was trying to get my Lucid password for my first time my Lucid funded. So I wanted to get a payout with them. And someone literally took the login, logged in, and took 40 micros of gold on my account and hit the daily loss limit on one of my accounts. Super weird. Super weird energy. And so I had to go and change that, and it was just a little frustrating. I didn't care about the account, man. It was just violating. It was like, man, that's just not cool, bro. You know.
Looks like
But you know, what's up, Grizzly Glock?
I was gonna say I paper handed that one, but
Yep.
I followed my plan. I said if it closed, if 5 minute close below pre-market low, I was getting out. That's why I got out.
But yeah, we prayed for the individual who did that, and I had someone reach out and they're gonna find their IP, like they're gonna find everything about where they logged in. So that's not an issue finding out who did it. I don't really care. I would just reach out to the person and be like, hey man, let's talk. Like you clearly
It's
are
over
not
for
in a
me.
very good spot in your life, so let's figure that out and let's get you on the right path. You know, I don't want you to send me money for the account. I want you
Order
to
filled.
send money to a charity. Go buy yourself a Bible or something, bro. You know, it's not cool. It's not cool, man. So all that to say is, started out a little stressful for the morning, but we're good now. We're cool now. We got runners running. The price target I want to see is this pre-market high, but this actually looks like a decent 2-bar too. We'll see if it works out. I mean, it's easy. Here's the thing, guys, is it's easy in this life to be negative and angry. It takes a lot more character, in my opinion, to forgive and to be calm. That's the man I try to be. It's much more peaceful. Let's see if this 2-bar ends up working. It looks like so far the 2-bar is going. Again, I'm already in this trade, so nothing for me. But look at that. Textbook. We test down into this 250 area of stops below 240, and now we're making new high a day. Did anyone take that 2-bar? I know I didn't. I'm already in this trade. We took it earlier, but I'm curious for anyone who's learned from me if anyone took that 2-bar from your own conviction. Nice, nice. Yep, it's working so far. This is exactly what I mean when I tell you guys that 2-bars are good in strong trends. So you have strong candles, strong volume, 50% retracement, enter, stops here. Now you have new high a day. Exactly what you want to see. At this point, I still have my hard stop set at 200, but at this point, I wouldn't be. I think it'd be a little silly not to move it up. Let's go ahead and move this to 240. 240 is the new line in the sand. Or 238. 238 is the final stop now. Final take profits up here at pre-market high. I'd love to see a mega trade out of this. First trade and the 2-bar. Let's go. Awesome trading day, guys.
I wish I would have gotten that, but oh well.
I'm very satisfied with how today.
You have to remind yourself, see, I'm trading 12 accounts on a live account. And, with that, I'm at $1,500 for the day, maybe $1,300. I could be better. That's what the next evolution is for me too. Hold my winners longer.
Final PT, everybody. This is a final price target up here. What's this pre-market high? Let's go, baby. Let's go. This is exactly what we wanted to see, whether it was the 2-bar or whether it was that entry down there. I really wish I had on more size today, but we'll take it. Let's go, baby. Absolute money bags, guys. Let's go. Let's go. After yesterday's trading day, we needed this. Bad. We needed this bad, everybody. I wish I had on more size, but we'll take it. Look at that. Over 100 points, baby. Over 100 points. Where are the haters at now? And guess what? If to whoever it was that did me dirty on that account logging in earlier, I hope you took that trade and I hope you made money on it. So then you don't have to go do stupid stuff in your life. Take your money and enjoy your money. And take the system and apply DOD and make a better life for yourself. Come on. Let's go, baby. Let's go, let's go, let's go. If you guys haven't yet, if you guys want to be part of the giveaway, go post your gains. Post your gains and tag me with DOD. We're going to give away some accounts today. We want more positive vibes today in chat. Look at that, baby. It's the type of play that gives you concussion. Let's go, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm probably gonna get off early. I'm gonna get off in a few minutes. I'm gonna give away some accounts inside Team Bowl and then dip out. Yeah, post your gains tab. Tag your boy. Yeah, free account with your password too, right? 300 in my eval. Nice. Post that in the push your gains, bro.
Order filled. Order filled.
Had to bail at 1200. 5 Lucius Flex evals. Yep. Post in the push your gains tab, baby. Let's go. I want to see all y'all tag me with DOD. Don't know. Go around.
This is an eval account that I'm trading. So take some risk off there.
Order canceled.
Make it last a while. Don't. All right. The final micros who just wouldn't give up. What an awesome trade this morning, guys. I mean, that's just textbook. You follow the trend, you keep it simple, you get paid. It doesn't get much more simple than that. Don't get much more simple than that, everybody. So little at 310 is qualified for my first trade if I pay out. That's awesome, bro. Let's dope. Here's the deal. I'm going to give away 2 accounts in the Post Your Gains, and I'm also going to give away an account for any of you guys that made money with me today. Go tag me in your IG story. Post your gains and tag me in your IG story on Instagram at JDunTrades. I'll give away to someone that does that. You should be showing the people around you that you're balling too. Show them what you're doing. Show them how you're living. Go to your IG, tag me in your story, and I'll give away 1 account to y'all, maybe even 2. On stream. So if you have an Instagram, go to your Instagram, take a picture of your computer, take a picture of your gains, and tag me at JDunTrades, JDUN Trades on IG. I will repost you too. Even if you don't get picked, I'll repost you. I will repost you too.
Order filled.
Just a fool. Adrian, I'll change that for you real quick if you want to post. I just got to put slow mode on for because those scammers come in. They post a bunch of stupid stuff. How about that trade this morning, Gene? That was sweet, huh? It's great. Dun, 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 dun. Great trade today, guys. Hey, if you did paper hand it, if you even sold for a loss, you got scared, whatever, followed your plan. Remember that the setup will come again. It's an A+ setup is going to come again. There's no reason to have FOMO. You're welcome, bro. Got you. Don't know. Yep, you guys want to be part of the giveaway and also show some love. I do my best to find you guys winning trades, help you guys stay patient during those trades, help you hold your winners. Go tag me on your IG story. I'll repost you too. I will repost you on IG as well. At JDun Trades. JDUN Trades on Instagram is where you can tag me. Trading is my little secret. That's crazy.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
End of day drawdown is going to give you a much better chance of passing and getting paid out than intraday. End of day drawdown is the final boss. At JDun Trades, go tag me in your IG story, everybody. You can post your gains and tag your boy on Instagram on your story, JDun Trades. If you guys took that trade and made money with me.
Order
Gene, you want to
filled.
say hi? I'll be right back.
What's up, guys? I've been trading gold for Asia. Thank you. I'm gonna steal his Lucid account. Who wants the password? Finally got my Apex payout this morning. That was good.
Order filled.
I should do a gold trade. Just full port his account.
Order filled.
Today, Wednesday. Yeah, it does take forever. I requested it on the 15th. I got approved on the 22nd, and now it's the 29th. So 2 weeks from when I requested it. Not too bad though.
What's up, Gene?
What's up, man? How's it going?
Doing all right. A little green on the day. One winner, one loser. How's your trading day going?
Pretty good. I finally got my Apex payout this morning.
Nice.
Yup.
Taking Jadon out for steak today, or?
Yeah, stakes on him. Stakes on him. Thoughts on that man?
I'm calling my trading day a little early.
Yeah.
A little green on the day, red on the week. One good trade tomorrow or Friday could change that. So.
We want big green in the week.
Yeah, big green. We're bull flagging.
They're bull flagging.
Be back in the morning, same time.
All right. Yep. See you, bro. Have a nice day.
See you. You too. Peace, Team Bull.
All right, guys, as a reminder, if you guys tag me in your IG story, I'm picking one person who tags me in their IG story to win a free Apex account too. At JDUN Trades. JDUN Trades
Order
on
filled.
Instagram. A 100-point trade, come on, that's not too much to ask for. Let's go ahead and pick from Team Bull first. Oh yeah, we got all the posts in here. We're going to do the random one first. Random, Gene, tell me when to stop. Chris trades. First time copy trading 2 accounts and had to share this one. Followed along with Jay Dunn video, step by step, focusing on execution with precision instead of just jumping in blindly. Trusted the process, stayed patient, and let the setup play out exactly how it was explained. Clean execution, no overtrading, no emotions, just discipline. Grateful for the guidance to keep stacking wins like this. Let's go, Chris. Send Venmo to win $35 Venmo for Apex DK trade of 8. Let's go. Chris trades. And then let's shout out. Let's see here. How about JG? 1,084, biggest day ever. Not gonna lie, I was nervous, but didn't move my stops until after we were able to take a trim. Final runners just hit above pre-market high. DOD Team Bull, baby. Let's go, JG. Atta boy. Great trading day today, guys. All right, and let's go to the IG and pick someone too. We got, scroll up and down, Mr. Rob. Let's go. Winner, send me your Venmo. Boom. All right, guys. 100-point trade this morning. It was a very interesting morning in terms of little
Order canceled. Order canceled. Order canceled. Order filled. Order canceled. Target filled. Stub filled.
Oh, maybe we got disconnected. Oh, sorry guys. We keep getting disconnected. I don't know why. I got to figure that out. So good positive day today. In both the evals and the paid accounts. So day 25, I believe. Positive day. Take care.